Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.